My name is Dr. Alberto, and I'm the owner of Dr. Implant. We have 3 full arch practices in South Florida, and now through the use of the PIC camera, we're proud to say we're 100% digital. As you know, dental impressions, casts, models, there's a lot of variables when it comes to having a passive fit on a prosthesis.
We have been taking impressions. We have been having issues with the position of the multi-units.
I discovered PIC through a good colleague of mine that also does a lot of full arches. He said how quick and how precise it is and how much money and cost he's saving in his practice. I did some research on PIC. I saw that they have studies that back up their findings, unlike no other company.
I'm in charge of doing the extractions, placing the implants, and doing the captures for the immediate loads. And now that we have PIC, everything is much easier.
Using the PIC gravity is a game changer for us. Patients love it, no more impression material in their mouths.
We don't have to order any more impression copings, jig gel, none of that. We can go straight from capturing the positions of the implant straight to designing prostheses.
With the gravity, you can move from one room to the other.
It's a quick and fantastic way of capturing the position of the implants. Training has been fantastic. There is no other way of putting it.
Hemos podido reforzar junto con la clínica esa comunicación entre el técnico y odontólogo y enfatizar en ciertos detalles que van a dar un resultado mucho más predecible.
We had a great crew here come from PIC. Everybody was really nice, very helpful, and very knowledgeable.
This is a win-win for me, for our team, and for our patients.
I really had a very good experience. I'm very impressed.
What we are experiencing and the amount of demand and calls because of the PIC camera has been really beyond my expectations.
We are very happy and we are looking forward to continue using PIC in our clinic.
PIC Dental gives me the security and peace of mind knowing that all our patients have a passive fit on their restorations. This is going to protect the implants and it's going to contribute to the long-term success of the case.